my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinoke. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys to this lovely amazing DIY crochet shorts curly hair with bang or with fringe. So this hair I use xpression crochet, and you can actually use this hair for braiding, pick and drop, any type of hairstyle you want. Let me show you what the hair looks like. This is what the hair looks like. Yes, this is what the hair looks like. I actually add a little bit of what will I call it, mistake in this hair. I purchased this hair from Nigeria. Obi traveled to Nigeria, so he got this hair for me. So I choose number 40, right? Yes, number 40. So I already used half of one of the 40, so it was left with 1.5. So I used the remaining half to achieve the back. So when I opened the second 40, it was actually another color. Sorry for that. As you are seeing on that side, you are going to see what I'm talking about. So if you want to achieve this kind of amazing hairstyle, Happy New Year, guys. I just want to start this kind of me talking from the beginning of the video before you guys keep on. I'll put the video at the side so I can continue watching the video. I just want to change my style this year, so I crochet the hair. If you want to achieve a very easy this kind of hairstyle with bang, make sure you rock the hair on your hair. Sorry, I mean the wig cap on your hair before you actually start crocheting. Then mark out the line when you want your bang to start from. Mark it so that when you are done, you know, some have to fall to the side, some have to fall to the front, then some have to fall to the back. So that when you are done, it will be very easier for you to cut.
I knot it twice, and make sure you take a little amount of hair so that it will be very easier for you to detangle when you want to detangle it. A little amount of hair so that it will be fuller. Also, it won't be very lightweight. You can see how the hair looks, has a lot of volume on me. Then other side, normal crochet hook cannot go in, very tiny crochet hook can only go in. At the end of the day, I keep on using this tiny crochet hook. It was so easier for me. So we are at the bank now. I've already done first track of camera, so I use only 2 track. Yes, no, I use only 3 track. I didn't use the 4 track. I've already done one of camera, then 2, 3, 4. I use only 3 track because if I use the 4 track, the volume is going to be much. But on the second track, I left a lot of space. Then on the third track, I cover it up.
Bang with a band because I use the same length with the bang and the back, that is the fringe. So for it not to mix together with the one you achieve at the side, so make sure you use the rubber band to hold the bang so that you know what you're working with. And again, I'll have to tell you guys, if you want to cut the bang, please do not overcut the bang. Just cut a little bit, then when you put it on your hair, then you can actually know the length of the bang you want. Again guys, if you want to trim down, as in if you want to reduce the volume of this hair, just take a spray, this spray bottle, any spray bottle you have, put your water inside, then spray it on this hair. Then later on you add your mousse to it, then you can add your oil sheen to add some shine also. This is what is called oil sheen, sorry you guys for that. This is what is called oil sheen, to add some shine to this hair. Just spray it down, but what will make this hair the volume to go down is water, then mousse. Then if you have sheen, you can. If you don't have, just go with any hair oil you have. So that is all for the amazing video. Thank you so much for supporting your girl always. Keep on watching, keep on liking, keep on sharing with your loved one. Then guys, please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always.